previously.
See, now that's some bull.
Okay, so it's a couple days after they've done the dig. I water settled this entire area, and as you can see, everything has dipped down and starting to sink. So I'm going to rip it out and fix it, because if you're going to do it right. Okay, so we're done. It's kind of a patchwork over here in this area, but we're going to be able to fix that. We're going to throw a little bit of topsoil down on top of it to kind of help mend the seams a little bit. As it waters in, it'll just go right down into any creases or seams that we might have. So any seams that we have, that dirt will sink down into, and it'll help seal those so that way they don't dry out or get too much air down to the roots. And then I'm going to mix up some seed and some organically rich compost topsoil and throw a little bit across the top, so that way we get a little seed to soil contact and get those new seedlings starting to sprout up, and that'll mend everything. And within about 6 weeks, this thing will look great.
Right.
Okay, so I have a little bit of sod left from that job, and I've got this little corner that really got heat stressed. I'm going to risk it and see if I can cut it out, put in a new piece of sod, see if it can start to take root, and I am risking it. Most likely it's going to fry because it does almost every single year, but I'll give it a shot and see how it works. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for any notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and please comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.